Hi, today I'll be flying a Horizon Hobby Viking by Scandinavian. It's a model that's been discontinued. It's been discontinued for about a half a year. You might still find one in the hobby store. This thing's an awesome little model. Here it is in relation to my DX6 radio. There's the radio next to it. It's a pretty small model. It's only about maybe a 24-inch wingspan at that. It's all high performance 3D. It's a great little flying machine. So we'll take it up, see what we can do. I have a camera on top of my hat. It's a 4K camera. It's filming, so I'm going to put my hat on. I might lose sight of the airplane for a second or two, but then it'll get back in sight. It should be looking wherever I look. This hat should look, and you should be able to see my video. So check everything out here. Check my control surfaces. Make sure we're on high throw. I like a lot of throw, and we'll see what we can do here. It's a screamer, huh? Look at that thing. 1 loop, 2 loops, 3 loops. Really loves to roll. Here, wiggle. That's that gyro in it. When it goes too fast, it'll wiggle. I'll show you full speed wiggling. Here's wiggling. It's a great little airplane, totally acrobatic. Inside loops. Outside loops. You can go further than you can see it, so you don't have to worry. Look at this thing roll. Oh, that's not even fast. I'll go faster in a second. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? That seems like one of the better airplanes. I'll bring it in and land it, and then I'll show you another airplane. A really nice Pit Special Python. Yellow and big. Time expires. How's that for timing? And there you have it, the Horizon Viking and the Tempo 3D, and I'm going in the car to get the Pitts Python yellow biplane, 4.5 foot wingspan. Then we'll do some flying. Still recording.